Welcome home to 3207 Wallaby Court in High Point, North Carolina. Set perfectly at the end of a cul-de-sac, this home features a single-car front entry garage and a large backyard, fully fenced and overlooked by a spacious deck, perfect for entertaining. From the entry, the home opens to the large great room with vaulted ceiling, skylights, and masonry fireplace. The great room is partially open to the eat-in kitchen with dining area backed by windows facing the rear. The kitchen features plenty of cabinetry and a smooth surface range. Down the hallway next to the kitchen is bedroom 2 with front-facing window, and bedroom 3 with dual closets. The hall bath has a tub shower combination and a beautiful new ceramic tile floor. On the other side of the great room is the master suite, boasting a vaulted ceiling, dual closets, and an ensuite master bath with dual vanity, also with a new ceramic tile floor. To recap, 3207 Wallaby Court in High Point sits at the end of a cul-de-sac on a large fenced lot. The home features a split bedroom plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a masonry fireplace. For more information, please contact Dana Hamilton at 336-669-3758.